Welcome back to this video. If you have Google account or Gmail account and your account got hacked, here is how to simply fix it right now. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. Then after open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right there, click on this particular icon right here, and this is going to pump up. And next thing you need to do is to simply click on manage your Google account. So just like what you see right here, critical security alert. Your account might be at risk. So what you need to do right here is to simply click on check activity. And this is going to pump up. So right here, change password immediately. You have already replied that you don't recognize this activity. What you need to do is to simply click on change password. So right here, you will be asked to enter your login password before you can proceed. So what you need to do here is to simply enter your password. Having entered your password, click on next. Then right here, you'll be asked to enter a new password. So the first column right here, enter your new password. Then move to the next column right here to confirm the password. Then after you confirm the new password, scroll down and click on change password. You will stay signed in on this device after changing your password. Then the device that you are now on is this particular device. So you'll be told the new device you have or the device you are using on your account. You can sign out of any device that is connected to your account by visiting this particular your devices in your settings right here. So what you need to do right here is to simply click on change password. Changing password. Your account might still be at risk. What you need to do, review it for unfamiliar changes and the more security step. So click on review security. So right here, secure your account, suspicious activity found. Verify change to critical settings. So click on here. Did you give this site or apps access to your account? So if you would like to give them access to your account, just leave it that way. So did you give this site or apps access to your account? Simply click on remove access. So remove Pixabay access, simply click on remove. Then click on next step. Secure your other account. Do you use Google password on other sites? So right here, if yes, all of the accounts that share a password are vulnerability, we recommend changing their password now. Then did you access password safe in your browser? Like this one, if this was not you, someone else accessed your password, change this password now to protect your account. So these are accounts that you will need to change the password if you want to simply change the password. So I'm going to simply leave that. Then check your financial activity, undo any unfamiliar changes, click on your financial activities, Google Pay. So check recent Google Pay purchases or Google Ads. So if you have anything right here, just report changes or request a review in this section. So next, so review personal content. So click on here, then all the personal content, review for harmful software on your Windows PC, device with suspicious activities. So you can simply click on details right here. Someone might have access your account using a suspicious app installed on your device. So device with suspicious activities, so close on that. Then you can scroll down and check on Gmail was accessed from unfamiliar devices. Check on the device that have access to your Gmail. So give Gmail was accessed from these unfamiliar devices in the last 28 days. If you found unrecognized detail, someone else might have used your account. Follow the recommended step to limit the damages. So you can check on the Gmail and also on your Google Drive. So simply click on done. Then the next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on continue to your Google account. Boom. The account has been saved. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply got your account back if your Google account or your Gmail account is being hacked. And these are the step-by-step on how to simply fix it. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Google topics like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.